In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily navigate and utilize Google in conjunction with manage.wix.com to enhance your website design experience. If you've ever found yourself puzzled while using these platforms, this guide is here to help. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. Simply search for Wix and click on the official Wix site link. Once you're there, you'll notice how the homepage is designed to make navigation seamless. If you're not signed in, you'll need to log in to access your sites. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Wix dashboard. Here, the first task is to click on Select Site. This option allows you to choose the specific website you want to work on, especially useful if you're managing multiple sites. Selecting the right site will lead you to the Site Management page, where you can oversee and fine-tune various aspects of your website. Next up, you'll want to click on Design Site. This option will take you to the design aspects of your chosen site, enabling you to edit and customize your website's appearance to your liking. Once you click this, it might take a moment to load. So don't worry if there's a short wait. This is just the platform preparing your workspace. Now, before you proceed, it's essential to ensure you're zoomed in to 100% within your browser. This step is crucial because certain features, like the Layers panel, might not function correctly if you're not at the default zoom. Once you're at the correct zoom level, you'll be ready to tackle overlapping elements and organize them effectively. Imagine you've got overlapping elements on your website, something that can often happen during the design process. Perhaps there's an element that's tucked behind another, and you need it visible and accessible. Here's where Wix's Layers panel comes in handy. Spot the Layers panel icon on your editor screen and give it a click. What you'll see is a complete list of all the design elements on your page. By simply dragging elements up or down this list, you can reorder which elements appear on top or underneath others. It's as intuitive as dragging and dropping on your computer, and you'll see the changes instantly. Suddenly, your hidden element can come to the forefront with just a quick drag in the panel. Finally, with your elements correctly ordered on the Layers panel, you'll notice how the element intended to be prominent now proudly shows itself on the top. Utilizing this feature ensures that your website not only looks great, but also functions seamlessly. By following these steps, you'll have smoothly navigated through Google and managed your site effectively via managewix.com. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.